Moonshine, also known as white lightning, is a type of high-proof distilled spirit that is typically made illegally. However, with the rise of craft distilleries and home brewing, moonshine production has become more mainstream in recent years. To produce moonshine, you will need a few key ingredients and equipment. The main ingredient is cornmeal, which is mixed with water and yeast to create a mash. This mash is then fermented for several days until it reaches the desired alcohol content. Once the mash has fermented, it is then distilled in a still. The still is a large metal container with a heating element that heats the mash to the point where the alcohol evaporates. The alcohol vapor is then collected and condensed back into liquid form, resulting in moonshine. It is important to note that producing moonshine is illegal in many places without the proper permits and licenses. However, there are ways to legally produce moonshine for personal consumption in some areas. With the right ingredients and equipment, anyone can try their hand at making their own batch of this classic spirit.